Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from yesterday's and today's Hindu newspaper, along with the important questions useful for all the upcoming exams. I have provided you the PDF link of previous day's video in today's description below. If anybody needs it, do download it. Now let's start. Who has become the world's youngest tribal woman to scale 4 highest peaks across 4 continents? Malavat Purna, Aparna Kumar, Bachendri Pal or Anshu Gupta? Answer is A. Malavat Purna has become the world's youngest tribal woman to scale 4 highest peaks across 4 continents. Malavat Purna hails from the state of Telangana. The 18-year-old successfully climbed Mount Aconcagua, the highest peak of South America. And before this, she had scaled Mount Everest, the highest peak of Asia, Mount Kilimanjaro, the highest peak of Africa, and Mount Elbrus, the highest peak of Europe. Earlier, we have discussed all the highest peaks of the 7 continents and 7 volcano summits also. Do remember and revise once again. In 2017, Bollywood actor filmmaker Rahul Bose released a film on this young mountaineer that he titled as Purna, Courage Has No Limit. Now she is Malavat Purna. Option B, Aparna Kumar is the first women IPS officer to reach South Pole. Remember all these points, very important. And Bachendri Pal, recently Government of India conferred with Padma Bhushan Award. And she is the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest in the year 1984. World Pangolin Day is celebrated every year on 1st Saturday of February, 2nd Saturday of February, 3rd Saturday of February or 4th Saturday of February. Answer is C, 3rd Saturday of February. Expect a question from this area, very important topic, World Pangolin Day. The pangolin is the most trafficked mammal in the world, and the demand for its scales in China has made it most critically endangered animal. A pangolin's tongue is longer than its body and it is basically termed as an ant-eater. It can consume 70 million ants a year. On World Pangolin Day, wildlife experts mourning that there could be possible extinction of the Chinese pangolin, as people are smuggling the live pangolins to China through northeastern states, and for smuggling of the scales, they're even using courier and postal services. Who is the president of Argentina who arrived in India for a 3-day visit? Jair Bolsonaro, Mauricio Macri, Frank-Walter Steinmeier or Sebastian Pinera? Answer is B. Mauricio Macri is the president of Argentina who arrived in India for a 3-day visit. Now he will hold talks with Prime Minister Narendra Modi in key sectors like economy, nuclear technology and space. And along with him, Argentina's First Lady Juliana Avada will also be accompanying him. Remember, Mauricio Macri chaired 2018 G20 Buenos Aires Summit. Buenos Aires is the capital city of Argentina and Argentine peso is the currency of Argentina. Who is the current National Security Advisor of United States? John Bolton, Michael Flyn, Stephen Hadley or Colin Powell? The answer is A. John Bolton is the current National Security Advisor of United States. National Security Advisor of India is Ajit Doval, and along with his United States counterpart John Bolton, both the sides agreed to deal with anti-India terror groups operated from Pakistan. Now he supported India's right to self-defense against cross-border terrorism, and he offered all the assistance to India to bring the perpetrators and the backers of the Pulwama attack promptly to the justice. Which team won the Irani Cup? Rest of India, Bombay, Vidarbha or Railways? The answer is C, Vidarbha. Vidarbha defeated a star-studded Rest of India team to retain the Irani Cup. Vidarbha is the eastern region of the Indian state of Maharashtra. And after winning, they donated the entire prize money to the family of the CRPF personnel martyred in Pulwama terrorist attack. Among men's singles, who won the 83rd Yonex Sunrise Senior National Badminton Championship? Lakshya Sen, Sourabh Verma, Kidambi Srikanth or Sameer Verma? The answer is B, Sourabh Verma. Sourabh Verma, who hails from Madhya Pradesh, claimed men's singles crown, defeating Lakshya Sen in the finale, and it was his third title so far. Earlier, he won this title in 2011 and 2017. And women's singles, Saina Nehwal defeated PV Sindhu and she retained the title. In which country is Chabahar port located? Afghanistan, Turkmenistan, Iran or Uzbekistan? The answer is C, Iran. This question was previously asked in UPSC regarding Chabahar port, so do remember. Chabahar port, along with Bandar Abbas port, the main port located in the country of Iran, recently with US sanctions threatening Iran's main port of Bandar Abbas, the Iranian government is planning to promote Chabahar port, which is being developed by India. The Iranian government plans to use Chabahar port as a connecting node not just to South Asia but also Central Asia, Europe and Mediterranean regions. Great Indian Hornbill is the state bird of which of the following state? Jammu and Kashmir, Kerala, Goa or Maharashtra? The answer is B, Kerala. Great Indian Hornbill is not only the state bird of the Kerala but also it is the state bird of the Arunachal Pradesh. So if you're hailing from these two states, then remember the scientific name of the state bird, very important. The scientific name of Great Indian Hornbill is Bucerus bicornus. According to recent study, the Great Indian Hornbills could adapt to habitat modification provided that their key requirements for food and nesting are fulfilled in habitats. What is the state animal of Punjab? Red panda, black buck, Indian bison or clouded leopard? The answer is B, black buck is the state animal of Punjab. And you need to remember this Abohar Wildlife Sanctuary, famous for the black buck. For the black buck, Punjab state animal, it's a fight for their existence at this wildlife sanctuary. Now, according to the recent report, in 2018, 25 black bucks have been died, and in 2017, 42 black bucks died. The main reason is the most of the black buck dying in Abohar Wildlife Sanctuary is due to the injuries caused by the stray dog attacks. Saudi prince signs deal of how many $1 billion investment in Pakistan? $1 billion, $5 billion, $10 billion or $20 billion? The answer is D, $20 billion. Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman signs a deal of $20 billion investment in Pakistan. He launched his diplomatic trip in Islamabad and he was embraced by Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan. He will travel to India after his Pakistan visit, where he will meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Petroleum Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. Japan's Prime Minister Shinzo Abe nominated which of the following leader for the Nobel Peace Prize? Donald Trump, Vladimir Putin, Narendra Modi or Kim Jong Un? Answer is A, Donald Trump. The President of United States Donald Trump has been nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize by Japan's Prime Minister Shinzo Abe. The Japanese leader praised Donald Trump's efforts in diffusing tensions with Pyongyang, the capital city of North Korea. Laurus Awards honors the persons belonging to the category of cinema, sports, literature or politics. The answer is B, sports. Awards are also very important from exam point of view. Laurus Award, many of the brightest stars of the world sports have assembled in Monte Carlo, the capital city of Monaco, which is a small country bordering France. The Laurus World Sports Awards is an annual award ceremony honoring individuals and teams from the world of sports along with sporting achievements throughout the year. Now, this award was established in the year 1999 by Laura Sports for the Good Foundation. And remember, Vinesh Phogat has been nominated, and she's the first ever Indian to be nominated for Laura Sports Award. India hikes import duty on Pakistan goods to how much percent? 50%, 100%, 150% or 200%? The answer is D, 200%. Taking strong economic action against Pakistan following the Pulwama terrorist attack on CRPF personnel, India raised customs duty to 200% on all goods imported from Pakistan, including fresh fruit, cement, petroleum products and mineral ores. Now, this decision would significantly hit Pakistan's exports to India. Let's see the question for the day. Which of the following West Indies player to retire from the One Day International Cricket after 2019 World Cup? Jason Holder, Carlos Brathwaite, Shannon Gabriel or Chris Gayle? Mention your answers in the comment section. Let's see the answer for previous day's question. 83rd Yonex Sunrise Senior National Badminton Championship is taking place in which of the following city? The answer is B, Guwahati. I've already discussed the champions in men's singles and women's singles, Sourabh Verma and Saina Nehwal. Quote for the day: successful people have two things on their lips, silence and smile. Smile to solve problem and silence to avoid problem. Sometimes it is better to remain silent and smile, because a fool is known by his speech and a wise man by his silence. So learn to use these two powerful tools and make your life happier. This is it for today. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.